Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 22 feet by 52-inch ultra-frame pool set with cartridge filter pump. The pool comes complete with all of the accessories and equipment needed to transform your backyard into your own vacation destination. The pool set includes cartridge filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, cover, and maintenance kit. With a water capacity of 10,472 gallons and 380 square feet of space, this high-quality storable pool is spacious for all sort of water activities. Simple setup and ready for water in 60 minutes. Product benefits: new dual suction outlet fittings improve water circulation, resulting in better water hygiene and clarity. Includes 110 to 120 V filter pump, ladder, pool maintenance kit, debris cover, and ground cloth. Easy to follow assembly instructions and DVD are included. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.